Just wanted to show off this hat before my friend gets here, because I don't know if we're going to go out to go tripping this time, because it's summer and it's freezing fucking cold. Somehow. It's almost June. And it's freezing cold. But anyways, so I won't be wearing this, I don't think, inside. But it's a rain hat. My other hat isn't big enough. I bolted it together with bolts and painted it gold, silver, and red so that it would be waterproof, epoxy the edges. These are bolts to hold the hat in. The hat has cloth in it that I screwed in so it can't come out. The hat's bolted in so it can't come out. It's really super comfortable. And it's a hat you could wear for hours while it rains. It's pretty big though. It hangs down a foot. It's 2 feet wide. Basically, I just wanted to make an umbrella. Unless the wind is blowing like really hard from any direction, the rain, that's the only way the rain would still get me. Unless, I thought about this too, bolting blankets to the edge or something like shower curtain or something that hangs down another foot. But as ridiculous as this is already going to look in public, I wouldn't want to be like, that would look really fucking sketch. And I don't know, some jerk off might bring someone else's attention to us. I don't know. So I'm probably not going to do that, because I'm not going to plan on it to get really windy. But, and I'm probably not going to be wearing this today either. But yeah, I just wanted to show this off, because I made this like a week before today, thinking that we were going to go out to go tripping. I didn't know it would still be cold. But somehow it is. Right before summer. So maybe next time. Maybe we'll still go out, I don't know. But it's doubtful. It's dreary out. Foggy, rainy, wet. But we really need to fucking trip acid. It's been a while. So, as soon as he gets here, the festivities begin. Male or female?
I think
okay. And you couldn't guess them all right?
No. It's creepy.
How many did you get wrong? Like all of them?
No, like 5 out of like 30.
What the fuck?
Like 5 of them I guessed wrong out of 30.
Well, that's just something that you don't usually do, like...
Well, those people go out of their way with surgeries and chemicals and stuff to try to look female.
Wait a minute. They walked you into a room with...
No, it was on TV, Jerry Springer.
Okay.
No.
I thought you were part of a study for a second or something.
No.
That would be really cool, actually. Like, okay, try to guess the gender of this person sitting, these people sitting here.
Springer. You never seen the Jerry Springer show? That show's so ridiculous.
Yeah, I saw that
I can't believe they allowed that redneck shit to go on. Like, where people just, like, show up and, like, just, like, talk shit to each other, and there's, like, people that have to stop them from beating the shit out of each other.
That show went on for a long time. But, yeah, the idea
of that show is so funny to me. People just, like, show up and then beat the shit out of each other, and they have to have people stop them from beating the shit out of each other, like on live television.
Yeah.
I always thought that was so fucking funny.
I always wondered how much of that was just for show, or how much of that is real. You just never know with
where do they find all these fucking crazy rednecks that just like want to like...
You never know with TV.
That really makes America look bad.
You mean they could show that to other countries?
Yeah, other countries like see like the Jerry Springer show and they expect that's the way all
It's
Americans
no longer
are.
American Funniest Home Videos, it's Jerry Springer now. With Bob Saget.
See, I know it's on here somewhere, Jerry Springer show, like the dude, it was weird, man. It was fucking weird. There was like 30 people on the show.
Wow, dude.
And like they had them all standing like...
This shit doesn't fuck around, man.
No.
Are you fucking tripping like pretty fucking hard already?
Yeah.
Whoa. This shit isn't even like done dissolving and I'm like fucking, oh my god. Hippie was not fucking around, dude.
No, Hippie wasn't
shit.
playing.
Yeah, that whole experience yesterday was really weird. I was worried for a second. They blindfolded me.
He blindfolded you?
Yeah. They didn't want me to know how... They didn't...
What?
Like, Scorpio... I was meeting his guys for the first time. And it was down in Boulder, Boulder, Colorado.
They blindfolded you?
Mm-hmm. On the drive in there.
Don't you think that's kind of stupid, though? Because you can just see where you've been at all times with GPS on your phone.
I had my phone shut off. They had my...
Oh. They had your phone shut off and they blindfolded
No, they
you?
asked me to shut it off, yeah.
Holy shit, dude, that's fucking weird.
They had a piss testing kit. They said they were part of the White family. Have you ever heard of that, the White family?
No.
Yeah. But they trusted me. This dude had this, like, this shit on the back of his hand. He said it was a compass. I've never seen a compass like this, like this tattoo on his hand.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, so you never get lost then, huh? You can always just tell where you are by your hand. And I thought I said like the wrong thing for a second, dude. He like smirked, but then he was like, "You're all right." And there was this really, really hippie chick. She was the only one there where I wasn't like completely worried. And she gave me that.
Did you think you were to get killed or something?
The most worried part was when I was blindfolded on the car ride in there. They just didn't want me to recognize the streets or know where I was.
They did that on the way in and out?
Yeah, it was in and out.
Where did you hang out with these people? Was it like in a warehouse?
In a house.
It was an actual house.
Mm-hmm.
So what's to stop you from looking out the fucking window and
it was in a basement. They walked me in and out of the car blindfolded.
And into a basement?
Yeah. Yeah, it looked like there was.
Dude, I would totally feel like I was
a washer
killed.
and a dryer.
Oh my god!
There was a washer and a dryer.
I can't believe you walked into a basement blindfolded like that. I would totally expect to get killed.
Yeah, dude. Well, no.
Like raped and murdered, probably.
I used to hook this guy up we go back, dude, back at Spruce. So I trusted the guy who got me in down there, and they gave me a really good deal on this fucking dose.
Whoa!
It's for $150. I got a third of a whole sheet.
Whoa!
It's that same hippie I was telling you about that one time where he's like missing his front teeth. He's white and he's got dreads.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like he's been through the ringer. Fucking, he's part of the Grateful Dead. That shit does not fuck around, dude.
The White family?
Yeah.
What are they like? Are
The guy who had the tattoo.
Like the mafia? Is it like the
They said it was in Boulder, Colorado. They said we're going into Boulder. The guy was missing most of the pigment in his eyes. He was a really weird dude. But he was the source, dude. I think he was like either the chemist or... He was definitely one of the higher-ups.
He had no pigment left in his eyes?
Yeah.
They were just
Well,
black?
he had very little, dude. It reminded me of Fender in the movie Cyborg.
That's creepy.
Yeah. He was a white dude, but he was like, whoa, all the pigment, like, his eyes look mostly white. I don't know. He could have been wearing, like...
Contacts?
Yeah, contacts.
That's fucking creepy as shit.
Yeah, dude. But, yeah.
Dude, I can't believe you got yourself in a situation where you got fucking blindfolded and taken down into a basement.
Yeah, dude, I trusted him.
You did get worried for a second, though.
Yeah. I was like, well, I've never had to been blindfolded. Like, usually they can bring the shit to me. Like, the house where I meet up with Scorpio is, like, not that far away from here.
Holy
They
shit.
have Grateful... Like, they come in every summer. They're not here all year round. So there's, like,
The
specific, what do you call it? Couriers?
Couriers, yeah.
Yeah, for certain areas.
The White family. Were they like the fucking LSD mafia?
Yeah.
I mean, like, seriously. I mean, in all seriousness, I'm not making a joke out of it.
No, I'm like, they're probably serious. I don't know, dude.
I mean, is there like this like underworld of like the like LSD mafia, like people that run shit like this?
Yeah. Dude, this was just somebody's house, but like, they didn't know they didn't know they could trust me, and because Scorpio,
I can't believe they blindfolded you.
they fully trusted Scorpio. So
Yeah.
do I. Scorpio was bringing me into a place where they don't know me.
Was he blindfolded?
Oh,
okay.
He drove me in. No, they fully trust him.
Oh, okay, I get it. But
He's in that family. He's like one of the Grateful Dead. I'm just
one of the Grateful Dead.
Yeah, one of the here for the summer, gone for the rest of the year, motherfuckers.
Whoa.
Holy shit, dude. How many goddamn times was this fucking shit dipped?
I don't know.
I am like fucking really coming apart here. I guess I just forgot how like... This shit is fucking me up so bad, dude.
I know.
You having that?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just weird to think about all this stuff, man. Like,
The White family.
yeah.
Dude, I can't believe
this guy had some awesome tattoos. I wanted to take pictures and everything, but I never...
Dude, there's no way, like, I'm sorry, but dude, you're so much more, like, you're a different person than I am. I would never, ever allow myself to be blindfolded and driven and walked into a basement.
Yeah.
I would never allow that, ever. You're a different person than I am. I would never trust in a million years that something fucked up wasn't going to happen.
Yeah, especially after what I've been through.
Yeah, dude, you've been fucking cracked over the skull with like a...
Yeah.
Get him, fool!
Yeah.
They fucking what, just like beat you up and took your fucking money?
Yeah. I've been through that, and
How many times have you been through that?
just once. But no, I wasn't that... Actually, when they did that, though, I didn't see it coming, so...
You didn't see it coming?
I should have, but I didn't. They hooked me up really good the first time. They were the guys that... You remember, like, we went to your mom's house?
Yeah.
That was really good stuff. The pink elephants.
Yeah. Pink elephants.
They hooked that shit up, dude. Remember how good that stuff was?
Yeah.
They hooked it up at a good price, and then, like, yeah, they were like, yeah, you need to come out here and get it this time. That was Greg Moses and his crew.
Moses.
Yeah, I didn't know his name was Greg at the time. He just went by Moses.
Moses fucking screwed a lot of people over, man.
Him and his crew, yeah. But yeah.
I don't know where they got that. I don't know where they got that shit from, but I remember they fucking screwed a lot. I remember hearing that name a lot. Moses.
Yeah, kind of. I was like kind of walking into the same thing that I walked into today, but I wasn't blindfolded. But had Moses and them guys been blindfolding me, maybe they wouldn't have felt like they needed to jump me. I was blindfolded on the drive in there and getting out of the car.
I think they just jumped you for the money so they could get fucked up.
Yeah.
They wanted the shit that you were getting.
But they had it. I know they did.
They had it on them?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
White spades.
You just didn't want to fucking share, I guess.
Yeah. I knew he had it on him, but he said he had to get more. The amount that I wanted a jar. He said he only had 30. He showed them to me. I was like, whoa, yeah. Let's go get him.
What a crazy situation to be in. I don't understand, like, how people walk themselves into a situation where they're going to get killed. And it happens, like, a lot every day.
Well, that's because they don't think they're walking into a situation where they're going to get killed.
How could somebody not
It could have easily happened to me last night.
That's so crazy.
I've had people come over back at Spruce that I knew were like, did you ever have some of those yellow gel tabs that I had at Spruce?
I don't remember.
The guy I got those from, I don't know, man. They're just some weird people when you get close to the higher ups. Where this shit comes from, dude.
What was the guy like that you got the yellow gel tabs from?
I never knew his real name, but he wore the most fucking crazy clothes, man. This is back before phones could start recording.
Oh.
And you remember back when I had T-Mobile?
Yeah. Yeah.
But man, this guy's clothes and the way he acted. It was the one and only guy who said he could get me anything.
He's probably serious about
Yeah,
it too.
he was fucking serious, dude. And he got me those gel tabs, the Isley. That was the stuff I broke my leg on. That was amazingly good dose. And he gave me a half a pound of shrooms.
Where the fuck?
I should have asked him if I could get DMT, but at the time back then I didn't know about it. I was all interested in LSD.
I never met that guy. Dude, see.
Well, no, yeah, you didn't meet him, but I just mean like the yellow gel tabs. He gave me a lot of them, so you might have had some of the gel tabs.
Yeah.
Is all I'm saying. Those were good. Did you ever meet Maddie?
No.
That was a big dude, man. If he couldn't break my door down, no one could. I had him jump kick my door.
Really?
Yeah. I reinforced it myself. You saw the door.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He was like, so you're pretty proud of this, huh? And he was feeling the wood. I was like, yeah. He's like, lock your shit up. He's like, lock your shit up. And I stood in the room. And he kicked the door, dude. I watched the frame of the
wall.
Yeah, dude, I watched the frame of the wall move. He was like, you're good. He kicked it 3 times as hard as he could. He was a big dude, so he's like, if he couldn't break my door in, the only other person that possibly could have would have been Caleb German.
God. I remember when you reinforced your door, though.
Yeah. I had a fucking bombshell. Oh my fucking god, dude! I cannot believe this.
It's not even dissolved on my tongue. Look.
Whoa.
Is it dissolved on yours?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I laughed mine out earlier. I was laughing and I just like...
It flew out?
Yeah, and I picked it back up. And it was like a paste when I picked it back up. I wanted to sing you this shit that I thought was really funny, dude. Have you ever heard that song, Bring Back My Bonnie to Me? It's like with that same song frame. Alright. I fucked a dead whore by the roadside. I knew goddamn well she was dead. The skin on her stomach was yellow. There wasn't a hair on her head. Her cunt had stunk worse than a sewer. I thought about my terrible sin. So I placed my lips around her pussy and sucked out the load I shot in.
Oh. Oh.
Bring back my semen to me.
Oh my god.
That's some pretty sick, twisted shit, huh?
Yeah, it really is. Yeah, I mean, this thing's probably like, it's like falling apart now. It's like turning to complete.
I couldn't possibly imagine the stuff I got today being any better than this.
Me either.
He gave me 4 sweethearts, though. He wanted me to take them on the way out.
He wanted you to take them like all at once?
Well, he thought I was interested in tripping. He was like, yeah, piss in this and check your pH levels. And then Scorpio was like, no, he's not here to trip. He's just looking to pick up 150. Or I forget how he put it. He's here to pick
check
up
your pH levels?
Yeah. Some machine that he
has a machine?
Mm-hmm. But he says, like, if you...
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Is a machine for tripping?
Yeah. Just don't eat fruits. He said just... Your best bet is to just go in with an empty stomach and don't eat fruits. Certain foods can just kill it. Like, if it's in your system, it won't even work. I was like, well, that would well explain some of the times I've had. I had one time when it didn't work, and Leo and Mike were fucking tripping. And I was like, are you guys kidding me? And then there was that time when you weren't tripping, and me and Pac were fucking... You remember that?
Yeah, I know.
That was good stuff, dude.
That was a really shitty day for me. I remember...
That was really good stuff.
I can't believe that you guys had the day that you did and I didn't. So I must have, like, eaten something.
Well, LSD is a very weird thing, dude.
Either it works or it doesn't.
It's a catalyst. It's, like, microscopic.
It either works or it doesn't, I noticed.
Yeah, you have to space it out. Like, Richard used to tell me he did it, like, every day. And
what?
Yeah, he used to take it on the bus with Gary Zakeli.
Just every day?
Yeah. This was back in the 90s when you could, like...
Do you think that's why fucking Richard did something that, like...
I couldn't imagine...
He was a really emotional person.
Dude, I couldn't imagine taking acid on the bus to school, but...
I can't either.
He said that,
I can't imagine that either, dude. That sounds terrible.
He said that it stopped having the same effect. Like, if you take it...
So he was just, like, fucking taking LSD every day? He was living on LSD all the time?
Yeah. And Gary Zakeli. Gary Zakeli can still vouch for that. You remember...
Yeah, I know Gary Zakeli.
What is that guy's name?
I used to fuck his younger sister, Shanna.
They used to get it through Brian Montgomery.
And what, Pamela Montgomery's brother? But I know Gary Zacchale. I used to fuck his younger sister, Shanna.
That's right.
Yeah. I know Gary. That's so funny. That's so weird.
But yeah, you don't want to. You don't want to.
That's really weird that Shanna is his sister.
You don't want to
really
dose.
Weird. That's really fucking weird. Do you have any idea how weird that is? That Gary Zacchale, yeah, that they're related. To me, that is so fucking weird. That doesn't make any sense to me.
Because Shanna's like some girl you dig up like by the beaver.
Yeah.
Like some tornado bait, and Gary's like just someone you'd see like in a business suit or something. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. They just don't. They just don't seem like they would be brother and sister somehow.
Somehow they are.
Yeah, it's weird. Like if you were to, yeah, I don't know.
What's weird is there's like so much more to say about like
somebody, but like
you know, I keep forgetting about something that I want to say, dude. Like it's so weird.
You want to say something, but like it just.
Yeah, dude. There's like so much to be said on each thing that we like.
Each thing that we think about.
Yeah. Holy fuck. Look at the ceiling. How can this be happening? How can this fucking be happening, dude?
Holy shit.
Too bad it's too early to listen to music, man. We'll have to blast some music as soon as it's not very likely people are going to call the cops.
Yeah, let's not blast music too loud if you actually feel like your neighbors are going to do that.
Well, no, it's just got to be the right time.
I really would not fucking want to have to like speak to like a.
They won't do it if it's in the midday.
Cops are such assholes out here, dude. They really are. They're like not nice people anymore.
Dude, I cannot fucking.
You ever come across like
I cannot
police
fucking
officers?
believe what I'm seeing right now, dude.
I can't either.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. This stuff hasn't. I'm like hearing a like noise in my head, like a drill or something. Did you hear that?
Really?
Yeah.
A drill?
There's like some noise that like that silence is. But it's like
Whoa.
I can hear like nothing, dude. It's like not nothing.
You can hear silence.
Yeah, dude. I'm hearing some fuck, dude.
You can hear like what the actual noise of nothing is.
Yeah. Like with every second of the room passing.
That's such a weird thing to think about.
Yeah, dude. I'm
Hearing
like starting to
nothing.
fucking come out of like being able to tell what's going on. Like
I can't tell if I need to go take a shit or not. That's how fucked up I am.
I feel like I'm about to come out of my head, dude. I've never heard shit like this.
Yeah, I know.
It reminds me of what we were hearing when the canal down the Cherry Creek.
Yeah.
It's like the sound of nothing, but it's like actually a sound. It's fucking weird.